Hey, this is really me this time. Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio pair. Now we'll show you the radio again. This radio is out of a 1969 Camaro Z-28 Raleigh Sport, and it comes from Lenny in Jupiter, Florida. Lenny has requested the modern internal conversion to add FM, also the Bluetooth feature, and the HD radio feature. So we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So the first thing we'll check is a dial light. You can see it flashing on and off through the case. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong AM station I get.
Federal buildings took over state capitals.
So while we have it on talk radio, we'll go ahead and adjust, demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions. Need our meters for that.
All different levels of entering government
okay, I'm going to adjust our
That's my answer for you.
Front rear fader.
There were certain insurrectionists, but fader adjust.
Okay, so now the tone control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance. All the way front.
I said with
all
regard
rear,
to the January 6 issue,
all front,
that two things can
all
be
rear.
true at once.
Okay, I'm going to center
We can
them.
acknowledge that it was an awful day and that people
fader set.
That also
Okay,
that
left
the
right
media has
balance.
exploited it and balance adjust.
Okay.
Game.
All the way
same
left.
Can be true.
All the way right.
The same can be said, excuse
left.
me, of the 2020
right.
election.
And
there
center
were
them.
severe balance set.
Balance it. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
A lot. I mean, if you
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know that's working. Okay, let's go to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, FM. Off on. Okay, so now I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Y necesitamos que se reinicien esas contribuir.
Okay, that one drifted a little bit.
Que lo va por
Yeah, sometimes it take with these old tuners, it can take a couple tries to get it to.
a llegar a la meta.
There we go.
You can see your tax dollar.
Okay, so there's our FM, and amazingly, since this doesn't have an 8-track, the test is complete. Bluetooth's working, AM and FM working. Can't test the 8-track function because there's no 8-track. We got our dial light working as well. So everything's groovy. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's. It's kind of funny. If the radio doesn't have an 8-track, it's almost like I have the day off. It's just like, wow, the 8-tracks are just so much more labor-intensive to get everything working right. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website that's in the description below. And if you download and print the work order, then you won't need to call me and waste precious shop time with questions about my options, prices, and turn times. It's all in the work order. Please read through the work order before calling me with questions. In most cases, you won't need to call me except just to talk to me for a few minutes to trust me and get to know me, things like that. I am BBB accredited with an A+ rating for the last at least the last decade anyway. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Lenny, for your business all the way from Florida, and we'll see you guys next time.